Gamers in India are compromising on meals, sleep and social life while playing online games, and 49.2% people are considering quitting their jobs to take up gaming as a profession, according to a report on Tuesday. Gamers in India are spending nearly 7 hours each week playing online games, with 23.4% players admitting to be playing for more than 7 hours each week and 11.4% more than 12 hours a week, revealed the report titled State of Online Gaming by US-based cloud services provider Limelight Networks. The global gaming industry has evolved brilliantly, giving gamers increased access to a variety of video and mobile games, said Ashvin Rao, director, Limelight Networks, India. The time that gamers have been spending playing games has been interfering with their lifestyle, social activities, and career aspirations, the report highlighted. According to the report, 45% of Indian gamers accepted that they have missed sleep, 37% admitted to have skipped a meal, 35% missed out on spending time with friends, and 24.2% skipped work just to play games. Mobile phones remain the most popular device for playing games in India, followed by PCs and tablets. Indians prefer to download games, with 90% people finding the process of downloading video games frustrating, the report said. To support the continued growth of the gaming industry, game operators need to evaluate the state of their content delivery platform to overcome the challenges of latency, especially for online games.